Preparation tools. Use the airbag removal tool to poke into the airbag holes on both sides of the bottom of the stock pan. The airbags on the same side will pop open. Gently remove the airbags. Unplug the airbag link plug in the pan. Unplug the steering wheel on the left side. Use the H10 tool to loosen the large screws in the center shaft counterclockwise. Remove the stock steering wheel. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 retaining screws. Use a pry bar to remove the rear U-trim panel. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws. Remove the front U-trim panel. Unscrew the fixed ground screws. Use T30 to unscrew the 3 big screws in the original plate that fix the airbag spring. Unplug the speaker connection socket. Remove the airbag spring. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these 2 fixed screws. Unplug the heating connection socket. Take out the wiring harness. There are 4 snaps between the bottom case and the buttons to remove. Push up a little bit from the inside to the outside. Remove the bottom case on the back. Remove the button screws on the both sides. Remove the wiring harness snaps. Take out the buttons panel. Attach the buttons panel to the yoke. Attach the harness tabs. Attach the harness snaps. Attach the left and right side screws. Attach the back cover and secure the 4 tabs. Secure the 4 screws on the back. Tidy up the heating harness. Plug in the connector. Attach the front U-cap trim plate. And secure the 4 screws. Attach the rear U-cap trim plate. Attach the 2 screws securing the ground wire. Attach the screws securing the ground wire. Attach the airbag spring to the disc. And secure the 3 large screws. Attach the horn connector. Attach the yoke steering wheel. Install the yoke steering wheel. Put the center shaft fixing screws on and tighten them. Connect the left steering wheel plug. Connect the airbag plug. Install the airbag by aligning the 2 clips. Press the horn to get a normal response.